Very good morning, student. I am Asim Kumar Mandal as a teacher representing Santipani Higher Secondary School, Rajoda. Today, we will taking exercise number 2.1, introduction of the chapter number 2, class 9th mathematics. Rajoda, we will start new chapter, class 10th mathematics, chapter number 2, which known as polynomial. Polynomial chapter also introduced in the class 9th. You know that word, terms, expression, mono, bio, trio, polynomial, linear, quadric and cubic both. Okay, that means we start with the introduction of the chapter number 2, polynomial. Firstly, I introduce a single word term. What is the mean of term, students? 2x is an example of term. In the case of the 2x, two parts are there. First one is the 2 and second one is the x. First one is the 2 and second one is the x. What is the mean of the 2? 2 that means a constant. Dear student, what is the mean of the constant? Constant that means a number which cannot be changeable. But in the case of the x that means a variable. What is the mean of the variable? That means a changeable. I repeat my sentence, not changeable and changeable. I hope you getting the mean of the term. What is the mean of the term? Term that means just like a 2x, just like a 2x square, 3xy more, x square y, 5xy square and so on. Terms that means like this. Terms basically divided into two categories. First one is the constant and second one is the variable. Composition of constant and variable are known as term, which also known as expression. What is the mean of the expression? Expression that means when two and more than two terms are arranged with positive or negative sign are known as expression. Student, firstly I introduce term. What is the mean of the term? Term that means just like 2x, just like 2x square, 3xy and so on. In the term we consist the two parts. First one is the constant and second one is the variable. First one is the constant and second one is the variable. Constant and variable, when the constant and variable composite are known as the terms, and when the number of terms are arranged are known as the expression. So chapter, what is the name of the chapter? Polynomial. When take expression basically defined by the first one is the mononomial, second one is the binomial, next one is the trinomial and last one is the polynomial. What is the mean of the mononomial? When the terms, how many terms are there? Single term, one term, expression which consists one term are known as the mononomial. When expression consists two terms, how many terms are there? Two terms are known as the binomials. When the expression consists three terms are known as the trinomial, and more than three terms are known as the polynomial. Simple definition. What is the proper meaning of the expression? Expression that means combinations of the terms. When in the expression we consist the single term, that means one term, are known as the mononomial. For example, examples are there, just like 2x square, 3xy 4x square y. In the case of the in the case of the binomial, two terms are compulsory, just like 2x plus 3y, 3xy plus 4x square. Two terms, don't take the power. Take it, terms are there, a single term and second term, just like 4xy plus 3y square, 3x square plus 3y square, both are the examples of the binomial. In the case of the monomial, we consist the one term. In the case of the binomial, we consist the two terms. In the case of the trinomial, we consist, how many terms are there? Three terms. That means x plus y plus z, x square plus y square plus z square, x square plus xy plus yz, yz plus zx plus xy, and so on. But in the case of the polynomial, what is the meaning of the polynomial? More than three terms are there. More than three terms, just like 4x plus 3y plus 2xy plus 3. How many terms are there? 3 is not a constant number. 3 may be written by like this, 3x square or 3y to the power 0. Maybe right? 3x to the power 0. What is the mean of the x to the power 0? X to the power 0 will be equal of 1. So 3x to the power 0 will be equal of 3. Okay, student, what is the mean of the polynomial? Polynomial, that means a expression which consists more than three terms are known as the polynomials. Another examples, another 4xy plus 3x square y plus 2x plus 3y. Okay, another example, 3x square y plus 3y square x plus 3x plus 2y, and so on. So firstly, I introduce expression. What is the mean of the expression? Firstly, from the initial point, take it term. What is the mean of the term? Term, that means a composition of constant and variable. ठीक है, composition of constant and variable, that means a composition of constant and variable, मतलब constant and variable both are required, ठीक है, are known as the term. The number of terms make the expression. Firstly, term create expression. How many types of the expressions are there? Expression, that means may be monomial, may be binomial, may be trinomial, and polynomial. What is the definition of the mono? Okay, in the case of the chemistry, you know that mono, that means a 1, bio, that means a 2, trio, that means a 3, and poly, that means a number of. So in the case of the monomial, we consist the one term. How many terms are there? 1. How many terms are there? 1. How many terms are there? 2. How many terms are there? 3. How many terms? More than 3. Now type of equations or types of polynomial. Types of polynomial on the based of degree. What is the mean of the degree, students? What is the mean of the degree? Degree, that means what is the mean of the degree? Degree, that means highest power, highest or maximum power, maybe repeat, highest or maximum power of expression are known as degree. Just like 3x square y plus 2x plus 3. What is the degree of given expression? X square y, that means maximum power are known as the degree. On the basis of degree, on the concept, on the base of degree, how many types of the polynomial are defined? Polynomial basically divided into, first one is the linear. First case is linear. Second one is the quadric, and third one is the cubic, and last one is the first power, second power, third power, then power 4. Not in the syllabus of the class 10th, but in the case of the class 11th, known as the tetra equations. linear equation. Examples of the linear equation: 2x plus 1. What is the mean of the linear polynomial? That means the maximum power will be equal of 1. Maximum power of x will be equal of 1 and power of y will be equal of 1. So maximum power will be equal of 1. So these type of polynomial are known as the linear polynomial. But in the case just like 2x square plus 4x plus 3, the maximum power of x will be equal of 2. So these type are known as the quadric or quadric. Both are the names of the quadric polynomial. But in the case just like 3x cube plus 2x square plus 5x plus 6, how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. But maximum power of the x will be equal of 3, so it is known as the cubic. In the case of the linear, we getting the solutions of the x will be equal of the 1. That means the possible values of x will be equal of 1, not x equal to 1, not possible values of x will be equal of 1. Possible values of x will be 2. The possible values of x will be equal of 3. So now finally, what is the basic difference between the polynomial? What is the basic difference between the polynomial and equation? 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3, both are the expression. But when the expression consists only LHS are known as the polynomial. But expression consists LHS and RHS, both are known as the equation. I repeat my sentence: when expression consists only LHS are known as polynomial, but expression consists LHS and RHS, both polynomial are represented as the equation. So how many types of the expression? 4 types of the expressions are there: mono, bio, trio and polynomial. Mono, that means a 1 term, bio, that means a 2 term, trio, that means a 3, and poly, that means a more than 3 terms. On the basis of degree, how many types of the polynomial? Linear, quadric and cubic. What is the mean of the linear? The maximum power of expression will be equal of 1 are known as the linear. The maximum power will be equal of 2 are known as the quadric, and maximum power will be equal of 3 are known as the cubic. Last topic: what is the difference between the polynomial and what is the difference between the equation? In the case of polynomial, we getting solution are known as zeros. But in the case of the equation, solution are known as root. Solutions are known as root. Polynomial, that means only consists the single part, but in the case of the equation, LHS and RHS both are consist. Student, now I explain meaning of zeros. Question in the form of the question: example, find the zeros of following expression. First one, 2x plus 4. Second 3x minus 6. Third 4x minus 12. So solution of first part, find the zeros. Find the zeros. Given polynomial, given expression 2x plus 4 equal to 0. To find the zeros, we taking equal to zeros. Given expression will be 2x plus 4. For zeros, right way. For zeros, 2x plus 4 will be equal of 0. Now 2x equal to minus 4, x will be equal minus 4 upon 2, that means x will be equal of minus 2. Now question number second, given expression will be equal of 3x minus 6. For zeros zeros will be equal of 3x minus 6 equal to 0, 3x equal to 6, so x will be equal of 6 by 3, that means x equal to 2. In the case of given expression, the maximum power will be equal of 1. Due to maximum power will be equal of 1, so we getting a single solution. But in the case if x square minus 9 will be equal of 0, x square will be equal of 9, x will be equal of root 9. What is the mean of the root 9? Will be equal of plus minus 3, that means x equal to positive 3 and x equal to, in the case of given expression, the maximum power of x, so we getting required 2 zeros. I think you hope you understand the all points of introduction of chapter number 2. Thank you so much for watching this video.